In this video, I show you how to TDI ASML launcher को कैसे हटाए or how to uninstall Citizen TDI ASML launcher. For doing this, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search Citizen. Tap on Citizen TDI ASML launcher. You can see that uninstall not showing. Scroll down, click on Home app. Now click on the default launcher. Example, System launcher, Source launcher. For my case, Pixel launcher. Tap on it. Now go to settings again, then go to apps, then click on Citizen TDI SML launcher. Now click on uninstall. Now click on OK. Now I hope that you successfully uninstall Citizen TDI ASML launcher